If you are planning to buy a 1.5-ton 5-star inverter split AC in 2026, this video will help you choose the most energy efficient, powerful, and reliable AC for Indian summers. With rising electricity costs, choosing the right 5-star inverter AC can save you thousands of rupees every year. In this video, we will compare Carrier, Panasonic, Daikin, LG, and Lloyd based on cooling performance, power consumption, smart features, air filtration, and value for money. So watch till the end to find the best AC for your home. What does 1.5 ton or 5-star mean? A 1.5-ton AC is ideal for medium-sized rooms between 120 to 180 square feet. A 5-star rating ensures lowest electricity consumption, higher Indian seasonal energy efficiency ratio value, better long-term savings. An inverter AC adjusts compressor speed automatically, unlike non-inverter ACs that switch on and off frequently. At number 5, we have the Lloyd 1.5 ton. This is for those who want a stylish look with a chrome deco strip. It features a 5-in-1 convertible mode and APM 2.5 filter. What stands out here is the anti-corrosion coating, making it excellent for high humidity areas or coastal cities. It's a solid, budget-friendly entry into the 5-star category. Pros: lower price compared to competitors. Good cooling for normal summer usage. Cons: no advanced AI or smart Wi-Fi features. Best for budget buyers who want 5-star efficiency without paying extra. Next up is the Carrier Ester Edge. Carrier is known for heavy-duty cooling. This Wi-Fi-enabled smart AC features FlexiCool 6-in-1 technology. The Smart Energy Display is a game changer. It shows you exactly how much power you are consuming in real time on your phone. If you are an analytics nerd, this is for you. Pros: real-time power consumption tracking. Balanced cooling and efficiency. Cons: app interface could be better. Best for users who want control over electricity usage. Coming in at number 3 is the crowd favorite, LG. Their Virat mode is legendary, allowing the AC to run at 110% capacity for instant cooling when you come in from the heat. It also has an antivirus protection filter and AI convertible 6-in-1 cooling that senses room load and adjusts itself. LG offers a perfect balance of technology and performance. Pros: faster cooling than most competitors. Excellent energy efficiency. Strong after-sales service in India. Cons: slightly higher price. Best for fast cooling and smart energy control. The silver medalist is the Daikin 1.5 ton. Daikin doesn't do flashy Wi-Fi on every model, but they dominate in airflow and build quality. The MTKM series features the Coanda airflow, which ensures the air doesn't hit your head directly but circulates evenly throughout the room. It's quiet, incredibly durable, and has a APM 2.5 filter for clean air. Daikin is known for compressor reliability and silent operation. Pros: very low noise. Long lifespan. Consistent performance. Cons: no Wi-Fi or app control. Basic design. Best for users who want long-term reliability and low maintenance. And finally, the best AC of 2026, the Panasonic Premium Matter-enabled AC. This is the most future-proof AC on the list. It's Matter compatible, meaning it works seamlessly with any smart home ecosystem. It features True AI that learns your usage patterns and APM 0.1 filter, that's hospital-grade air purification. With 7-in-1 convertibility and 4-way swing, it ticks every single box. Pros: lowest power consumption. Best air filtration. Smart home ready. Cons: premium pricing. Best for buyers who want overall performance AC. Final comparison or buying advice. Best overall, Panasonic. Best smart energy tracking, Carrier. Best fast cooling, LG. Best reliability, Daikin. Best budget option, Lloyd. Choose based on your room size, usage hours, and budget. All product links are in the description with latest prices and offers. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more honest appliance comparisons. Stay cool.